What can you make in 15 minutes with nothing but scraps, a timer, and a whole lot of gratitude? Stick around. This one's got a messy desk, some fussy cutting under pressure, and a whole lot of heart. Hi, it's time once again for coffee, crafting, and cats with the Ginger Cat Lady. I'm Pam, and Harley's off duty today, probably judging my paper choices from the window. This video is part of the weekly 15-minute paper craft challenge hosted by Pam over at Silver and Sparkles. You know, I used to sit here at my desk covered in scraps thinking I was the only one who found joy in gluing down random bits of paper just for the feeling of it. But this video, it's more than a time challenge. It's a thank you note to this amazing community I didn't even know I needed. I started with a piece of ledger paper, a sentiment strip that says gratitude, because honestly, that's the thread running through this entire thing. And, of course, one of the flowers from Pam at Silver and Sparkles. You all show up, you encourage, you comment, you inspire, and you've made space for me in ways I never expected. I mean, I didn't think I was good enough to even apply to a design team, and now I'm on one. I've made real friends here, the kind who cheer you on in the comments and encourage in DMs and make you laugh over glue disasters. And watching so many talented creators, that's been like masterclass in both technique and courage. I've tried ideas I never would have dared on my own just because someone else said, give it a go. What really gets me though is the quiet support. A kind word when you don't expect it, a share you didn't ask for, just generosity everywhere. And it's changed how I feel about showing up. Which, after 6 minutes, brings us to the second cluster. And let me tell you, it was not feeling very generous. That little ticket scrap? Complete diva. Refused to match with anything. I tried pairing it, layering it, sweet-talking it. Nothing worked. Eventually, I grabbed a pretty pink scrap from a Silver and Sparkles kit, another flower, stapled it like I meant it, and hoped for the best. It's not perfect, but honestly, that feels kind of fitting because this whole experience has reminded me that showing up messy still counts. You know, it's funny. I started this whole thing thinking it was just about making clusters, just scraps and staples, right? But somewhere between chasing down that ticket and glue sticking my fingers together, I realized this challenge was more about trusting myself, letting go of the plan I didn't have in the first place, and making something anyway. And that, my friends, couldn't have been done without the generosity and support of this fantastic community. So yeah, 2 clusters, 15 minutes, and a reminder that creativity doesn't have to be polished to be meaningful. This community has turned my quiet little desk into something bigger, and I am so, so grateful. Thank you for being here, for cheering me on, for showing me that sometimes the best kind of glue is the people who stick with you. And as always, may your scraps be endless and your glue never dry. See you in the next one. Bye.